Pencil Overlay Toolkit for After Effects. Here is a project including 4 folders, a 4K, an HD, portrait and a square aspect ratio. Of course, all comps are identical. In our example, we will use an HD. Here is the controls in the blue color layer. From here you have access to all settings, but first let's have a placeholder. The placeholder is in the red color layer, so double click and there's another red color layer here and place your video just above this gray placeholder composition. As you already see, we already have an artistic result. First of all, you have 2 colors for the text color number 1 and text color number 2. Then you have the frame rate slider. This reduces or increases the frame rate, but I think 12 is a good number to have a more artistic animation to your video. Here is the rotate pencil clock wheel. Using this wheel, you can rotate the pencil strokes as you see here. There are 2 settings for the strokes, the vivid light strokes and the soft light strokes. Of course, you can have a combination of these 2 strokes. The vivid strikes works better in a light background and the soft light works better in a dark. Grain intensity slider. From here you increase the grain and there's a grain size here to increase the size of the grain. Effect detail. This reacts here. It's the tune effect. In the 0 settings you have more detail, and if you increase these settings you have less detail. I think a 20 works in every situation, 20, 22. Effect brightness. You can furthermore adjust your effect using this brightness slider. And there's the saturation. You can make it black and white. And finally, you got 4 papers to select as well as an opacity slider for these papers. So you get different options for the paper. I hope you enjoy working with this pencil overlay toolkit and make great promos. Thanks for watching.